This is a short mobility workout from FitShape. You're standing with your feet shoulder width apart, rolling the shoulders backwards. And then changing direction, rolling the shoulders forward. While rolling them forward, don't allow them to come fully forward. Emphasize the rear part of the shoulder roll. Changing hands by your sides, you're going to slide one hand down the side and then the other. Side bends. Keep your hands in close by your sides. Go over as far as you comfortably can, with each side bend to the left and to the right, loosening up the spine, mobilizing the vertebrae. Going slightly further each side if you can. As we change that to torso turns, keep your hips fixed to the front as you gently rotate the upper body round to the left and then round to the right. Let's do that now. You can place your arms across your chest or by your sides, wherever it's comfortable. So working on spinal rotation here, keeping the pelvis facing front as much as possible as you maximize that range of movement on that spine rotation. And pause. And we're changing to hip circles. Make sure your feet are shoulder width apart. You can place your hands on your hips and rotate, making big circles with the hips, with the pelvis. Then change direction, we'll go the other way. Nice big smooth circles with the hips. And pause. The next mobility exercise is a pelvic tilt. If you're not familiar with it, your feet start shoulder width apart. Imagine you've got a tailbone. You want to tilt your tailbone underneath and then tilt it away. Flexion and extension of the lower back. Pelvic tilting. Great exercise to mobilize the lower back. Tilting the pelvis and rest. Knee circles next. Circling both knees at the same time in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Because we're going to change direction halfway through. Let's do that now. Knee circles. Gently mobilizing the knee joints. Please avoid any pain if you've got knee problems. And pause. It's 1 foot ankle circles next, so get support on the wall if you want to. You're standing on one leg, lift 1 foot into the air and mobilize the ankles by rotating the foot. Try and create a circle with the big toe and then change direction going the other way. Ankle circles, standing on 1 foot with support if needed. Let's change to the other foot, standing on one leg. It's an opportunity to work on your balance. Ankle circles, one way. And then change direction to the other. Resting your feet on the floor. We're going to the upper body. Bring your arms around, give yourself a big hug and then open your arms wide. Let's go. Open the arms into a chest stretch and bring arms up. Rest with every rep. Mobilizing around the shoulders, the upper body. Try and work at different angles, Bring the hands down low, bring them up to the middle or bring them up high, depending how your shoulders are. And rest. Okay, next one is the shoulder external rotators. Working your mobility around your rotor cuff and deepen the shoulder joint. Keep your elbows in tight. And then moving the forearms whilst keeping them parallel with the floor, out as far as they will go. Keep your shoulders down and back. Shoulder external rotators. You can also use a light band for this, commonly known as band pull-aparts. Externally rotate, opening the shoulders as much as possible. Pause. Okay, the next one is a hip opener. It's one leg at a time. Lift one knee up and externally rotate, lifting the foot in the air. Let's go. Again, get support if you need to. Opening the hips, lift the knee into the air, then externally rotate to the outside and bring it down so the foot comfortably lands on the floor each time. Moving from left to right, get support if you need it, as shown. Try and keep the hips facing front as that knee moves, and then we're going to change that to go the other way. So you're lifting the knee up and bringing it inwards. Knee up and rotate inwards. Knee up and rotate in. And rest. Let's go wide on the legs. Standing as wide as you can with your feet wide apart. You're going to go over to one side and reach up into the air with the hand and over to the side. Changing sides each time. Get a good stretch, a good reach. And pause. Okay, bring your feet together, bring your hands up together above the head, down towards the chest. Mobilizing the shoulders. As the hands go out to the sides and up towards the ceiling, send your shoulder blades towards the floor. Last few seconds. Don't forget to smile. Always get at least one smile in for every workout. They add up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Well done.